one of the top selling points was Google integration. The full Google integration in RPO4 was huge. We've been a Google school for a long time. That was super important for us. Our teachers were very comfortable with the BenQ.
I also am very glad that the BenQ Board is able to integrate Google, because that makes my life easier when I'm using the Easy Write tool. I can go back to my Google Drive, go to my folders, and then I'm able to find the materials that I need and get them onto my board pretty seamlessly.
To deliver my lessons, I absolutely love the Google integration on the board. I typically access things straight through Drive, and I've watched other teachers access things straight through the Google Classroom app. So some of them will build their lessons right into Google Classroom and then access that way. I personally choose just opening up my Drive, and everything that I'm going to need is in my Google Drive already and ready to go.